Rohit, are investors getting a good deal here?
I think so. Again, I think Twitter is in the middle of a transition that's going to take a long time. I feel near term, I think macro and micro headwinds on Twitter are just going to amplify the weakness here. So I think it's a very good deal for investors. It remains to be seen what happens longer term with Twitter. What can Musk do and what is he willing to do is a big question. But near term, I think it's a very good deal for investors.
Igal, do you agree?
Yeah, I agree with that sentiment. The multiples at price point here are a strong premium to the group, pretty close to where Snap is trading, a slight discount on revenue and EBITDA multiples, but the growth there has been much slower. A big premium to Pinterest, where growth at Pinterest has been stronger than Twitter has. And, just a lot of question marks around user growth in Twitter I don't think have gone away. And I agree that the sale here indicates that the results in the quarter and maybe the outlook aren't going to be that strong, and it makes this price point all that more attractive.
That seems to be everybody's takeaway. Rohit, what does it mean for competitors, a Meta, a Snap, a Pinterest, that also rely on ads? How are they looking at this deal?
Overall, I think it's a positive. If you look at there is somebody who's extremely influential in the tech industry. He's looking to take a very long-term view on an asset that has underperformed, has under-executed, under-invested in technology, and they're willing to take that long-term view in their position in the overall kind of global ecosystem as such. If investors decide to do that, I think there is a lot of value in other social media assets. Also, kind of tactically, near-term speaking, I think the volatility at Twitter probably creates a market share shift towards smaller companies like Pinterest and maybe Snapchat in the near term. I feel that creates a tailwind for those two companies. So net, I can't think but positive things from what Musk is thinking over the longer term for not just Twitter, but social media and just the overall misinformation, disinformation, bot traffic, all the things that he's talking about.
Meta only up about 1.3%. Igal, it's down 44.5% for the year, and it's about 51% off its highs. Does this really change anything for Meta, Facebook, which is going to report on Wednesday?
No, I don't think so. And Twitter is just a fraction of the global digital ad market. Meta and Google are materially larger. They represent nearly about 60% of global digital advertising. Twitter is closer to 1-2%. So, Twitter is not enough to move the needle for Meta at all. But I agree with Rohit that for the small advertisers, Pinterest, Snap, TikTok, and even some other smaller platforms like Nextdoor, there should be some budget that might shift around, and this might be a benefit to them. But for Facebook and Meta, probably not going to change anything.